how to update Facebook on iPhone. So if your Facebook application is outdated and your phone is not set to automatically update the Facebook app or all the application you have on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily update your Facebook app. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first one to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Now, once you open the App Store, click on the Spotlight search at the bottom right. Click on Search, and now search for Facebook. Click on the search button. Hang on for the App Store to search for the Facebook application, then open it. If there is an update available here, go ahead, click on the update button, and then type in your Apple account password to confirm that you want to update the Facebook application. And after a couple of seconds, wait for the Facebook application to update to the latest variant. And once it is updated, you can go ahead and click on the Facebook open button like this, and this will open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Or better still, if you don't want to only update the Facebook app, you want to update all outdated applications on your iPhone, just click on your profile icon at the top right, then scroll down, you should see all outdated applications here, then update it. So that is basically how to update Facebook app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.